te salve Reina y Madre de misericordia, vida y dulzura, esperanza nuestra, Dios te salve.
King Carlos III of Spain was concerned that the other European explorers, including those from Russia, would start to colonize the western coast of North America, what the Spanish called Alta California. Spain had already built several missions in Baja, or Lower California. King Carlos asked the Franciscans to found missions in Alta California, since if the land was settled, it would be more difficult for other countries to come in and claim the land. The Franciscans sent Father Junipero Serra to found the first Alta California mission. His goal was to reach the harbor that Cabrillo had found and named San Miguel, and that Vizcaino had claimed for Spain under the name of San Diego. Father Serra and the governor of New Spain decided to split the expedition into groups that would go by land and by sea. 3 ships, the San Carlos, San Jose, and San Antonio, sailed during the first 6 months of 1769, and 2 groups of soldiers and priests went overland. It was a difficult trip, and many men died. The San Jose was lost at sea. No one on the ship survived. The sea routes were very important, and that is why most missions are near the coast. The mountain ranges and deserts in Alta California made it difficult to reach the coast from inland. Father Serra founded Mission San Diego de Acala in 1769 and began the Spanish colonization of Alta California. By 1770, Father Serra was ready to found the second mission in the Alta California chain. Father Serra and several soldiers sailed from San Diego to find the Monterey Bay. The Monterey Bay had originally been discovered by Sebastian Vizcaino. It took over a month to travel the distance. On August 24, 1771, Father Serra blessed the area and dedicated the mission to St. Charles Borromeo. During a restoration of Mission San Carlos in the 1890s, Father Serra's remains were moved from his original burial site and placed underneath the altar area of Mission San Carlos. His celdilla, or cell, has been recreated at Mission San Carlos to look like it did when he was alive. By the time the mission was rebuilt in the 1930s, there was very little left of the room, only parts of the floor and the bottom parts of the walls. Father Serra lived at Mission San Carlos until he died in 1784. Father Serra's bed was recreated using wood found on the mission grounds, and the Bible on the table may have belonged to Father Serra. Father Serra established 9 missions before his death and burial at Mission San Carlos. Eventually, 21 missions were built in the 54 years between 1769 and 1823 in a chain that stretched from its southern edge in San Diego to north of the San Francisco Bay.